Welcome! If you've ever wanted to see only the Instagram posts where you've been tagged within a specific date range, this updated guide is for you. Filtering your tagged photos and videos by date can help you quickly find memories from special occasions, trips, or any time period you want to revisit. Let's walk through the simple steps to filter your Instagram tagged posts by date range. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once you're on your home feed, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, or the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile. Tap it to open up more options. From here, select Your Activity. This section gives you a detailed overview of everything you've done on Instagram, from posts to comments and more. Next, tap on Tags. This is where you'll find all the posts and reels where other users have tagged you. It's the perfect spot to track down memories you might have forgotten about. Now, let's get to the filtering. Look for the Filter by Date option at the top of your tagged posts. Tap on it, and you'll see a few ways to sort your tags, but for this guide, choose Date Range. You'll be prompted to select a start date and an end date. Tap on each to pick the exact days you want to search between. Maybe you want to see everything from your summer vacation, or just the posts from last year's holidays. It's totally up to you. Once you've chosen your date range, tap Apply. Instagram will now show you only the posts where you were tagged during those specific dates. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can filter your tagged Instagram posts by any date range you choose. This feature makes it easy to find, organize, and enjoy your favorite moments all over again. Give it a try and rediscover your best memories.